Hello, my name is Heutmaker, and we are here at Washington Crossing Historic Park in Bucks County. We're right here at the confluence of the Delaware Canal, where it meets with Pidcock Creek and flows into the Delaware River. Very important site historically as well as ecologically. I'm about to take you on a walk down our old Raceway Trail. I have the Thompson-Neely house behind me, and the Thompson family had many mills over the years that were powered by water. So we have a section of the park where there's an old raceway still visible that powered one of the mills that was here. So we restored the trail along that raceway, and we have been repopulating it with native species thanks to funding from the Lower Delaware Wild and Scenic River. So follow me down to the trailhead and we'll get started. This is the start of the old Raceway Trail, and right here to my left you can see the old raceway itself. This depression once carried water all the way back from Pidcock Creek to a former mill that was somewhere around this area. This entire trail was swallowed up by invasive vines like Oriental bittersweet, multiflora rose, Japanese honeysuckle. So it took a lot of work to get this cleared out. As you can see behind me, we do have a nice trail now. This area cuts through some important land ecologically. We have some swampland over here. We also have a mixed forest overhead. And the forest suffered a lot of storm damage in recent years. So we have a situation where we have a little bit of an open canopy, and we've cleared away a lot of invasive plants already. So we wanted to bring back some of the native trees and bushes that should be growing here and would have been found here in the historic events that took place. Here we have a grove of red maple, silver maple, and box elder. All three native maple species, and we've actually been using this area to harvest sap to demonstrate historic maple syrup production. Just here on the other side of the raceway, we have an elderberry grove. It doesn't look like much now, but there are 3 or 4 established elderberry plants that we saved from being smothered by the invasive vines. We also added new elderberries to repopulate the grove, and we look forward to harvesting and using them. In this beautiful grove down here by the creek, we've planted pawpaws and American plums. We're very excited about these native fruits and the potential that we can do with them. Pawpaws are a beautiful tree with a fruit that's similar to a banana and a custard flavor, and they're native to Pennsylvania. We can't wait to see them start producing. This is one of our native American hazelnut bushes that we planted as well. These are going to be great to help stabilize the shoreline in the event of erosion, but they'll also produce a tasty nut that deer, squirrels, and humans all love. Here we have a red chokeberry. We've also planted black chokeberry, persimmon, serviceberry, and more elderberries down by the creek. And if you follow me, we can make our way to the current mill. This is actually the exit raceway for our 1830 mill. So this water comes through the building and back out to the creek. Here's the 1830 Thompson-Neely grist mill. The Raceway Trail continues behind the building and back toward Bowman's Wildflower Preserve. I hope you'll come check it out someday, and I just want to say thanks to Lower Delaware Wild and Scenic River for the funding to plant our native trees along this beautiful trail.